You guys, this is Brad from Blue Nile Farm. Welcome to the channel. I'm sure 95% of you do not own any kind of pads when you get down on your knees to do any kind of work. Whether it's you, the male of the house, or maybe your wife, or maybe your kids. Getting on your knees as we get older is very, very painful. For me, I'm working in the shop. I work on gravel. I work on dirt. I work on the grass. It doesn't matter where the conditions are. It could be wet. It could be snowy. It could be muddy. Nothing worse than getting yourself all bogged up and just in pain. That theory of no pain, no gain, that doesn't apply when you get sore knees. And as we get older, a lot of you guys are going to get knee surgery because your knees are basically disintegrated. So with that said, what I'm pushing here today is a tool that I use all the time, which I'm almost sure most of you guys don't even think about or own something like this. It's a little simple pad. You can buy these pads for $6.99 down at Harbor Freight. You can spend up to $25 at a bigger store. It doesn't matter where you buy them, but they're great because you can throw these down and you can just get down on your knees anytime, anywhere, and you're going to stay clean, you're going to stay dry, you're going to not get dirty, and best of all, you're not going to be hurting your knees. I don't understand why most of us don't think about these things. But until you have to go do it, you sit there and you'll swear and argue and wish that you had it. In every car that I own, just because of getting a flat tire, you're almost guaranteed to get down on your knees to take off that tire some way, shape, and form. Every car we own, we have these in them. Even some of my farm tractors, I have them in there just in case if I'm baling hay or something, I have to get down underneath the baler and look at something. I have the pads to get down there, not only to keep myself getting dirty and maybe muddy or wet, but also to save my knees. I'll tell you, when I was younger, I didn't care about jumping on my knees on the ground. But now I'm on concrete, gravel, and other hard surfaces, and I can't live without this. And I'm going to tell you, it is well worth the investment. You go down to some place like Harbor Freight and you get them when they're on sale, you're going to spend $4 for these things. And I'm going to tell you, you can't buy enough of them because you should have them. How many times you have your wife or a girlfriend or whatever working in your house and maybe cleaning the floors or something, they're down on their knees. It's terrible. I hate it. So my suggestion for the day is get one of these things, get a bunch of them, put them in your cars, keep them in your tractors, keep them in your shop, and I will guarantee you, you will use these and you'll be thanking me when you do. Because this is a tool that you probably would never think of, and I use these all the time. You will never catch me dead on my knees anywhere on this farm unless I really, really have to. I will go grab one of these things all day long because it is so much pain to me to get down. And I'm 60. I can't wait till I'm 70 because it's going to only get worse. And once I hit my 50s, I really appreciate having these knee pads. So what I'm going to tell you is, since most of my viewers are in their 50s and 60s, guys, you need one of these. You need a bunch of them. Go get them because I'm going to tell you, you're going to thank me at the end. And I want to hear how you never thought about something like this. Because the reality is this. As we get older, we're not as flexible as we used to be. And getting on my bony little knees down on concrete is just miserable. That's why, I promote different tools like lifts and stuff so you can work on things. But man, when you get down in the ground, it is no fun anymore. It's terrible. So all I want to say in this short is, in closing, is go get some of these. These are cheap. You can buy them on Amazon. You can go to Tractor Supply, or they sell them. You can also go to Harbor Freight. Find a place that's cheap. These things are like almost 1.5 inches, 2 inches worth of thick rubber foam. And I'll tell you, you can throw these down and it'll save your day. If you're all dressed up and you're going somewhere and you get a flat tire, you're going to be glad you have one of these in your car or in your truck. It's a win. So with that said, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll tell you, go out and get these because I'm going to tell you, you're going to be really happy. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.